Hello my dear students, how are you all? Do you miss your teachers? I think you have missing us, but we really miss you dears. Have you learned tens and ones? Okay, now we are going to study about a new method of counting. Normally how we are counting? We count like 1, 2, 3, 4 likewise. In today's topic, we skip some numbers and count. So our topic is skip counting. Today's our topic is skip counting. Do you know what is skip counting means? Skip counting means when we are counting numbers by skipping some numbers at regular intervals. When we are counting some numbers by skipping some numbers at regular intervals. We can skip count by any number, but here we have to study about skip count by 2s, 3s and 5s. Do you know why skip counting is useful? When we have lot of things to count, you have to count by skipping 2 or 3 numbers or 5 numbers or 10 numbers. Otherwise, if we are counting by one, it should take long time. That's why we are counting the numbers by skipping some numbers. Okay? Now we are going to study about skip counting by 2s. Look here. Here are some balls. Each ball has numbers. When the ball start bouncing, it skips one ball and jumps to the other ball. It skips one ball and skips to the next ball. Again this ball bouncing. And skips to next ball, but not touching the near ball. Near ball means the ball which is next to the number 2 ball. Again it skips to 6. Number ball 6. And it is not touching the ball number 5. Which numbers we got? We got 2, 4, 6. This is our starting point, so we no need to take the number 0. Okay? What will be the next number? You have to take 2 fingers and count. Which is the next number? 5, 6. We have to skip 5 and write the number 6. Write the number 6. Likewise, you have to fill the blanks. Which will be the next number? You have to take the number 7, then 8. 7, 8. We skips number 7 and takes the number 8. Then we write 8 here. Okay? Then what will be the next number? We have to count from 9. 9, 10. And we have to take the number 10. And we have to write here 10. What will be the next missing number? How will you count? You have to take 2 fingers and count from 15 because 14 is the first number here. So you have to take 15 and count. 15, 16. And which number you have to write? You have to write 16 because we are skipping number 15. Then what will be the next number? Next number will be 17 and 18. We skip 17 and write 18. Okay, tell me which will be the next number? You have to skip 19 and write 20. When we are skipping by twos, you have to skip one number to the previous number. You have to skip one number to the previous number. Okay? We studied about skip counting by twos. Now we are going to study about skip counting by threes. In skip counting by twos, we skip the one number before the next number. Okay? Here we have to skip two numbers. Two numbers. We have to skip two numbers. We are starting from 0. Here are some boxes and the boxes have numbers. When we are beginning from 0, we have to jump to 3 and skip two numbers, and we have to skip two numbers. Again we have to jump to another number 6 by skipping two numbers. Which numbers we got? 3 and 6. Look here. Here we have 3, 6. Which will be the next number? How will you find out the next number? You have to take 3 fingers and count the next number from 6. 7, 8, 9. Which number we have to write? The last number which we count. That is 9. We have to write 9. Which will be the next missing number? You have to count by taking 3 fingers. You have to count the next number from 9. 10, 11, 12. Which will be the last number you got? 12. So you have to write 12. Then you have to find out the last missing number. How will you do that? You will take 3 fingers and start counting from 13. 13, 14, 15. So, which will be the answer? Yes, 15. You have to write the last count which you got. Okay? When we are counting by threes, you have to take 3 fingers and count the next number from the number which we given. Okay? We already studied about skip counting by twos and threes. So, now we are going to study about skip counting by fives. How will we can find out the next numbers after 5? We have to take 5 fingers and count the next number after 5. How will we count? 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Which number we got last? We got the number 10. So we have to write the number 10. We skipped 4 numbers before 10. Again we have to find the next number. How will we find out? We have to take the next number from 10. Which is the next number after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Which number we got last? 15. Here we skip 4 numbers and write the last number. And we write the last number. Which will be the last missing number? Again you have to take 5 fingers and count the next number after 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We got the last answer. Which is it? 20. So you have to write number 20 here. We skipped 4 numbers before 20. This is the way we can skip numbers. So we have studied about skip counting by 2s, 3s and 5s. That's all for today, children. Thank you.